When we're solving percent problems, it's important to turn the language into a math statement that you can then use your skills to solve. We can look at either a decimal equation or a proportion equation using fractions. So I will just model both of those for each of these circumstances. So what is 8% of 50? Well, what is, so that would be x equals, 8% is 0.08, and of 50 means we're going to be multiplying by 50. If I wanted to set this up using a proportion, I would say, what is 8% of 50? Noting that in each of these, I'd be taking 50 times 8, and then dividing by 100. Well, this isn't really 8. This is 8 with the decimal point moved over twice. It's 8 divided by 100. So I'm going through the same two steps to solve for x. It just looks a little differently. Here, 20% of 65 is what number? So 20% is 0.20 times 65 equals x. 20%, well, that's 20 over 100. Is over of, so is what number? Of 65. And in both cases, I'm going to take 20 times 65 and then divide by 100. The divide by 100 is accomplished here by moving the decimal point over twice. 1.8 is what percent of 9? Well, 1.8 is what percent is, we can just write x times 9. And again, it's what percent, so we can really look at it as x over 100 if you wanted to look at it that way. And over here, 1.8 is what percent of 9? So we're still going to take 1.8 times 100, and then we'll be dividing that by 9. It's kind of the same idea here because we're already dividing by 9. We would multiply by 100, and then we'd divide by 9.